Hello my dear friends, how are you? This was our previous analysis. Our team telling you our team. Don't remove drawing because you understand how doing our team analysis. Look. Resistance becomes support really base, really with initial break, and we mark initial break demand zone. And again market made here high. Higher high, and again higher high. And this in this place liquidity available FBG. But our demand zone major is this area high higher high. Low lower low QM. This is our QM major demand zone. If we apply here Fibonacci high to low, so this was our FBG buy zone. But now we look small time frame in H4. What happening in market and market how doing work? This is our H4 chart. Look here high 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 low. Lower low QM, and we mark QM zone SN RSND. A really base drop bearish engulfing breakout, and market again make their high high. High and again make high high. High our theory retested complete one. R3. And this was our high high high. Low lower low QM, and this was our low, and this was our high. So look left side. We marked here support resistance area. And our team telling you when market breakdown. This support area, this support resistance area, and closing down. Then you take entry sell from here in this place. Drop based of supply area. And your stop loss will be above of this high. Same you look way. Apply here already Fibonacci. So remember market this area to time retested sorry. Same time retested. Now, I hope you take entry sell from in this place. And your stop loss will be above this high. So our target will be this area. Then we take entry buy from in this area, yeah.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
And we need here confirmation but die if market. Go down slowly with support resistance. So then we don't take entry. Buy from in this place Fibonacci 1. 6-1 reversal zone, remember this. If market go down with support resistance area and make support resistance, then we don't take entry. Buy from in this area and we will be waste weight. First draw best drop supply breakout. Then we take entry buy from here. If market sharply move and go down. And respect this area, then we check M5 M15 chart. First draw best drop supply breakout or first. Bearish candle high breakout, then we take entry. Buy from here. And our stop loss will be below this support area. But currently we seeing US30 DAX selling. Now the same drawing. Our team telling you and market saying. Same working as our team telling you in drawing. So our all courses are free. And every week our team uploaded 2 to 3 videos so you can learn free. Our team also uploaded video. How our team take entry in gold. Which method used? Why we take entry sell or buy in gold chart. Our team step by step all guide. And making video and uploading in our channel. Honey Forex. So you can learn and then you can earn. If you have any question, you can ask anytime. Our Telegram link available in description. Thanks.
Hello friends, how are you? These are all the subscriptions from our VIP, Telegram Gold, FX signals, and there are different types of discounts from our team so you can take advantage of them and join any of our subscription. Thanks.